Welcome to the .NET Excel Library tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to convert an Excel document to JSON using the Syncfusion .NET Excel Library. You will also learn about converting a worksheet and an Excel custom range to JSON. I will begin by opening an existing ASP.NET Core application where I have already installed the Syncfusion XlsIO .NET Core package. If you want to know how to get started with the Syncfusion .NET Excel Library, check out the video link in the card above or in the description below. Let me show you how to convert an Excel document to JSON. Before proceeding, I will show how this will be implemented in the application. When I click the button, the JSON file will be downloaded. First, I will open the index.cs HTML file and remove the existing code. Then add a button to convert the Excel document to JSON. To define the event handler, I navigate to the Home Controller class and import the required namespace. Next, I define the action method Excel document to JSON with the return type action result. Inside this method, initialize an instance of the Excel engine and create an application instance using the Excel engine. Next, select the default version of Excel and create a file stream instance to retrieve the existing Excel file, passing the file path, file mode open, and file access read options. Next, create the workbook instance and pass the file stream to it. Create a memory stream and save the document to that stream using the Save as JSON method, setting the Boolean parameter to true for the schema. Once saved, the stream position is reset to 0. Finally, I return the updated file to the browser for download by passing the stream, content type, and file name. Now let me save and run the application. When I click the button, the JSON file will be downloaded. As you can see, the Excel document has been converted into a JSON file. Next, let's see how to convert an Excel worksheet to JSON. Here's the Excel document, and the second worksheet will be converted into a JSON file. I begin by adding a button for worksheet to JSON and defining the action method with the return type action result. I will use the code snippet from the previous method with a few adjustments. Here, I create an instance of the worksheet to specifically target the data within the second worksheet of the Excel document and pass it to the Save as JSON method. Only the selected worksheet content is converted to JSON. Additionally, the file name for the document download will be updated. When I click the button, the JSON file will be downloaded. As you can see, the second worksheet of the Excel document is converted to a JSON file. Finally, let's see how to convert a selected Excel range to JSON. I will use this document and convert the first 10 rows into a JSON file. I start by adding a button for Custom Range to JSON and defining the action method with the return type action result. Again, the code snippet from the previous method is used with a few adjustments. Here, I create an instance of the desired range, which covers the first 10 rows and 8 columns in the worksheet. By specifying this range, only the data within these cells will be converted to JSON. I also update the file name to reflect that it contains data from this range. When I click the button, the JSON file will be downloaded. As you can see, it is the first 10 rows of the worksheet. Let me sum up this video. In this video, I have shown you how to convert an Excel document to JSON using the Syncfusion .NET Excel Library. You will also learn about converting a worksheet and an Excel custom range to JSON. You can download a working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our file format products through our community license. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.